Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you every step and every trick that I use to make this kind of vector illustration from sketch in Adobe Illustrator. Okay guys, let's start. So first I'm going to lock the first layer and I'm going to create a new layer. So this will be our outline layer. Okay, to get started what we are going to do is we are going to grab our ellipse tool. Set your stroke color is black, change the stroke size like 3 pixels. Just make sure the fill color is none. Okay, now you have a perfect circle. To make a copy, grab the selection tool, hold down the alt key and click on the circle and drag. Okay, let's do the same thing to create another circle. Okay, grab the rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Resize it. Okay, grab the selection tool or direct selection tool. So can you see this little target in the corners? Click, hold and drag it with your mouse. Just drag it toward the center of the rectangle like this. Okay, now I'm gonna draw those lines with the pencil tool. Sometimes you guys not familiar with the pencil tool, so let me explain pencil tool quickly. Double click on the pencil tool to see the settings. First I will select this option. What it does like you can draw strokes but you cannot redraw or rechange the strokes. You see, it makes new strokes, but after you deselect this you can see the magic. You see, you can change the lines, you can redraw it, you can refix it, whatever. It's like you have a pencil in your hand. Okay, now you know the pencil tool. This is the main thing you need to know about pencil tool. So let's draw those lines quickly. Okay, now before I go to the next step, I wanna quickly explain about the shape builder tool. Let's make few circles here. First select all, then grab the shape builder tool, left click any of these segments and drag through other segments. Can you see that red lines? It indicates you what our final shape will look like. So as you see, we can effectively combine all these shapes quickly. Another thing you can do with shape builder tool is you can remove unwanted segments as well. Hold down the alt key on your keyboard. You can see that little plus icon change to little minus icon. That's the time you need to click on the unwanted segment. Okay, let's back to the tutorial. Okay, now you know how to work with shape builder tool. Let's apply the technique that you learn here. Okay, let's make this circle. Okay, have a look at this. Let's finish this quickly. If something goes wrong, hit the Ctrl Z and fix it. Okay, now we are finished with the outline layer. Now we need to create a new layer. This is the layer we are going to add our color. After you create the color layer, drag it down under the outline layer. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the outline layer to color layer. To do that, can you see this target icon over here? Click this target icon, hold down the Alt key and drag this blue square to color layer like this. Just make sure to hold down your Alt key while you drag. Lock the outline layer and make sure to select our color layer. Now let's add color in our artwork. Select all, press letter I on your keyboard to get eyedropper tool. Select a color. Now we add the color on our artwork. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add shadows and highlights with the pencil tool. When you add shadows and highlights, I recommend you to finish part by part, because if you are a beginner it will be a bit confused. So let's finish part by part. Click this icon, you can shift the color like this. After you shift the color, let's draw those parts with the pencil tool. Okay, now grab the shape builder tool and let's make these two parts. Let's add colors. Because of this part is a shadow part, I'm gonna add little brighter color. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna go to edit color, recolor artwork. Let's bring some little brighter color. Okay, let's do the same process with other areas as well. After you master the pencil tool and shape builder tool, this is not a big deal for you. In early days it will be a bit hard, but just don't give up. When you add color, you need to make sure you pick the right color. Take some time and choose the right color. What is the best color for highlighted areas? What is the best colors for darker areas? With the experience you will be perfect. Just be patient if you are early in this kind of art. I will speed up the video because I think I covered every area that you need. When it comes to shadows and highlights, different designers use different method. What I do normally, select the main color and go to the recolor artwork option and change it to the darker or brighter. Another thing guys, if you are not familiar with pencil tool, just please take 1 or 2 hours and practice it. It will be a good investment for you. Okay, now I'm gonna create a new layer and I'm gonna add more details on my artwork. So guys, this is the process that I use to convert a sketch into a vector. I hope you learned something from this video. So if you think learn something from this video, make sure to stay with me in the future as well, and don't forget to hit that like button. So thank you for watching this video guys. Be safe and peace.